In this video, I'll tell you how you can easily download and install Google Camera GCam in Samsung Galaxy A07. Since there is no official application on Google Play Store or Samsung Store, that's why we will need to download it from Google Chrome. Before that, we will need to give some permissions. First of all, navigate to your settings application and scroll down and go to security and privacy. Then scroll down and go to more security settings. After that, scroll down once again and tap on install unknown apps. And from here you will need to give permission to Google Chrome and My Files since we are downloading this application from Google Chrome. Enable this toggle and enable My Files toggle too. Once you have given the permissions, simply go back and open your Google Chrome browser. And right here search for GCam. Then tap on go and go to this first website. Like this. Then scroll down and tap on download for Samsung phone, and after that tap on download anyway. If you want to check download percentage, simply tap on three dots and go to downloads, and right here you can see it is being downloaded. Just wait for a few minutes and the application will be downloaded. As you can see that it is now downloaded, simply tap on that, and right here you can see install. Tap on install. However, I am getting this error. To fix this, simply navigate to your settings application and scroll down and go to security and privacy. After that, scroll down and disable this toggle of auto blocker. Enter your password, and as you can see that auto blocker is now disabled. Simply navigate back to Google Chrome browser, then tap on this once again. Tap on install. As you can see that GCam has now installed. Simply tap on open and it will ask for few permissions. Give those necessary permissions. Tap on done. Now as you can see that GCam is now working perfectly on my Samsung Galaxy A07. So that's how you can easily download and install GCam application on Samsung Galaxy A07. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.